Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for all the latest news and updates. Hello, you have logged into One India News YouTube channel and this is Mariam. The Ministry of External Affairs has announced disengagement of border personnel at Doklam, signaling that the months-long standoff at the disputed India-China-Bhutan tri-junction has finally come to an end. The Ministry of External Affairs said, India has always maintained that it is only through diplomatic channels that such matters can be addressed. Our position is that agreements and understandings reached on boundary issues must be scrupulously respected. But India's official statement is in absolute contrast to what the Chinese Foreign Ministry has said on Doklam. China said that India has withdrawn troops from Doklam while Chinese troops will remain in the region and exercise their sovereignty over the region. This difference in the stand on Doklam between India and China is also reflected by the global media, which has reported extensively on the border dispute. As per BBC, China has claimed victory over India in Himalayan border row. A BBC report read, China says India has withdrawn troops from a disputed Himalayan border area, ending a tense standoff lasting for weeks. The BBC report says that India's foreign ministry confirmed troops were disengaging at Doklam after agreement between the two countries. The Washington Post was also titled, India withdraws troops from disputed Himalayan region, diffusing tensions with China. The report said, China had repeatedly and furiously denounced the Indian move as a direct infringement of its sovereignty, demanded an immediate and unconditional withdrawal, and warned that conflict was a real possibility if that did not happen, and thus India withdrew. The report then goes on to state that it was unclear if Beijing offered any concessions in return, such as agreeing to halt the construction of the road. CNN also was not far behind. A CNN report said that both India and China have agreed to de-escalate a months-long territorial standoff in the Himalayas ahead of a major economic summit involving both the countries. The report quoted China's official Xinhua news agency as saying that India had withdrawn its personnel and equipment, which had crossed the border back to the Indian side. Well, it seems like the impression all across the globe is that of India bowing in front of China, which is actually a misrepresentation. As per other authentic sources, it is China who softened its stance because of the approaching BRICS summit, and this eased off the tension between the two countries. It is being projected that India submitted, however, that is not the truth. That's all for now. For more news and updates, please subscribe to One India News YouTube channel.